no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you are wondering on how I changed this wig into this, stay tuned y'all. So today I am reviewing a wig from RPGSHOW. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below, so make sure you guys are reading that thoroughly. I'm really feeling this red burgundy color on me. It's giving Black Widow, the black version, okay? Y'all see that hairline? Just peep the hairline, y'all. Just beautiful. So right now I am cutting this lace.
Yogic.
I am wiping off the excess makeup on my forehead so I can have a clean application of the wig. I am using my bed head spray. I've been trying to find that Ebin, whatever it's called brand. I've been trying to find that spray at my local beauty supply store and I cannot find it. I really was trying to avoid buying it online, but I see I have to, y'all, because I see everyone's either using the hairspray or they're using the lace tint, and I really want to use it just to try it out. So we're putting that elastic band on so I could really melt that lace. I am adding some Nairobi foaming mousse. Next step, I am concealing that part. I love how this already came pre-styled, pre-curled, but some of the curls was falling because it was really hot in this bathroom, y'all, so.
Yogic.
Now y'all did see what the lace looked like once I took off the elastic band. So I want to clean it up with some powder foundation for the hairline, but I feel like I have a certain level of OCD when it comes down to getting this hairline situation situated. So I actually went back and redid that step.
Yogic.
I really love the texture of this hair, how soft it was. Yeah, y'all see I'm messing with that hairline because I'm like, So this is round 2 of trying to fix the hairline to my liking. I actually put a little bit of wax on the hairline, and then I am going to use my hot comb. Again, y'all, lace is not scalp, it is not skin, it is material. So I finessed it as much as I could as far as the undetectableness of the lace, but I think I made it work. It was a little flat in the front, so I wanted to get like a cute wave. So let's talk about how I feel about this hair. This hair is extremely soft. I love the color. It's very bright, it's very vibrant. It was so easy to put on. This hair really took heat very well. There was minimum shedding and tangling, but nothing too excessive. So that concludes today's video. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I would like to thank you guys for tuning in and supporting my channel and always showing me love. I would like to thank RPGSHOW for sending me this unit to review. Again, everything about this wig will be in my description box below, so make sure you guys are checking that out. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.